My name is Jahkeem Piankhi, and I will be doing energy efficiency exploration for my project. I chose this project because I wanted to find new ways to prevent climate change and new ways to make electricity. First, I will tell you about what I learned during my project. Electricity is when electrons, the things that surround atoms, move to one atom to another. That is one type of energy it melts: mechanical, electrical, light, thermal, and sound. But people use electricity the most. That is why people come up with new ways to create it. The problem is that the ways that people usually use is hurting the environment and contributing to climate change. So I thought of something I could do, and I came up with river generators. I didn't make a 3D model, but I made a 2D sketch of the generator and its parts. It is an innovation of generators that use natural gas, which is harmful to the environment. But this one uses water kinetic energy to make electricity, not gas like normal generators. So this first part is the turbine. And the turbine has thick blades to help generate more kinetic energy to turn the shaft. More on that later. The protectors are made out of titanium and are designed to prevent as much as possible the breaking of the turbine. The generator. This river generator will use AC current, which is normally used in turbines. The generator is the most important part of the entire river generator. So this part right here is the revolving copper coils, which will generate the electricity. And the stators generate the magnetic field, so that it'll help it generate more electricity. The slip rings are the parts where it stores it, and the brushes, both of them, collect the energy and then send it to the cables to go to wherever it needs to go. The ground soil that should be used is silty loam, which is a type of soil. Having the right soil makes sure the generator's foundation doesn't get severely damaged, and in this case, is silty loam. The soil has properties that make it ideal for construction of the generator. And I decided that the size of the generator would be good if it's 5 meters tall, 5 meters wide, and 10 meters long. The amount of kilowatt per hour that was calculated to produce was 12 kilowatts an hour, which means that we need cable that can take 12 or more kilowatts per hour. Also, if you want to help prevent climate change, here are some things you can do. Cut down on plastic bottles and use reusable bottles as much as possible. Only use light that you need. That means don't leave your bedroom lights on or any other lights that you're not using. You can also use recycling bins, because then regular bins end up in landfills, which also help climate change be worse, and we don't want that. And remember, going outside is just as much fun with family or friends as playing games. And that is my project, and thank you.